Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I already have my base coat on. I just used Peely Base by Holo Taco as usual. For my base color, I'm going to be using Rain It In from Color Club, and I'll be doing 2 coats of that. Okay, so I did the 2 coats of the polish, and then I just did a layer of top coat. I just have it's just a random top coat, but I really like that one. It's nice and thick and smooth. So I wanted to go ahead and do that because we are going to be stamping again, and we used this stamping plate last week. We did a couple of them. This is just the Scholar Collection #1 from Moya London. If you wanted to freehand your design, you totally could. For me personally, I like clean look to the nail art, so I just really like the stamp because it just gives everything a nice clean look. We're going to be using the white Queen Salmon polish that I have called Pure White. And I've got some of these picked out, and we're just going to stamp all of the designs on the nail. If you want a more detailed stamping tutorial, I've got other videos that I go into a little bit more detail, but I'm just going to speed through these. I will put a couple of the other videos up in the cards. And once your stamping is dry, I'm just going to go back over it with my top coat, and then once the top coat is dry, I am going to go over it with my matte top coat. I don't think I've actually even said what this is supposed to be, but this is chalkboard nails. I know you'll see it in the title, but I run into some issues before I started recording, so now I'm rushing and I shouldn't be. But yeah, like I said, we're going to do top coat, and then once the top coat is nice and dry, I'm going to go in with my matte top coat. Alright, and here is the chalkboard nails. Like I said in my last video, math was my favorite subject growing up, so I just went with the math theme again. And when I was doing my top coat, some of the nails smeared. I think this was the one that did it the most. I thought I waited plenty of time, but it still smeared. Sometimes that happens. You never know. But I kind of like it. It kind of gives it like more of a chalkboard vibe. Because I remember the math teacher that I had in 7th and 8th grade, she's the only teacher I had that had a chalkboard, and she was left-handed. And she would smear her, when she wrote on the chalkboard, she would smear it. And I just think that was a nice reminder of her and of that time. But like, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it down below. I hope this video is going up on Wednesday. I'm filming this Tuesday night because I've had a lot going on, and I'm just now getting to recording. I don't do this often. I don't usually record the day before I am set to upload, but sometimes that happens. Like I said, I just got a lot going on. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more of my videos, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. And I will see you guys next week. Bye, guys.